Hello all. So last time we talked about the functions in idle and we understood what we mean by def, that is definition of a function, calling a function, writing it down by giving say a1 equal to area as a function name and then passing the arguments. Because when we write down say a equal to, okay, for example if I am going to write it down something like this, a okay equal to fine, and then if I'm going to write it down a area, okay, and the parameters, okay, if I'm writing it down here p1 comma p2 fine, then that time here this a1 fine, this a1 is nothing but your return, okay, and when you write down say return a, so this a would be replaced by this a1 fine. In this manner we understand how to write down the functions, okay, so we will understand it now in a more better manner by writing down a main menu program, which is really very important in any programming language. So let's start. The program is really very big, so I have written it already. This is my strings. I want to print them. Okay. So this is I have given it in one of the variable strs, that is string. Okay. I can give it as string one, string something like that, and I'm going to print at the beginning of the program enter one for addition. Okay. Understand what is a slash n. The meaning of the slash n. This is known as just a minute. It is known as backslash character constant, okay, or they have other names also. So or escape sequences, fine. So escape sequences, fine. So they are known as this, and it would allow you to go to the next line. So if I want to print enter 1 for addition, I want enter 2 for subtraction, then it would be printed in the next line. Okay, enter 3 for multiplication, next line, enter 4 for division, next line, enter 5 for exit. There is no, I don't want to give any line after that because that is exit. Okay, no slash n is given, fine. So this is enter 1, enter 2, and this normal string of, okay, so this is how we write down int of input of in the same manner. This is for printing. Okay, now choice equal to input strs. So यहाँ से मुझे choices लेने हैं, या 1 या 2 या 3 या 4 या 5. सो इनपुट एंड रिटर्न इन चॉइस, एंड वो रिटर्न होने के बाद अगर मेरा 1 है तो वो मे बी एडिशन एग्जीक्यूट करेगा, मे बी, क्यों, यस जरूरी है. अगर 2 है तो इट वुड एग्जीक्यूट सब्ट्रैक्शन, अगर 3 है तो इट वुड एग्जीक्यूट मल्टीप्लिकेशन, बट वेयर इज द कोड फॉर दैट. So we are going to understand where is the code. So here you can see there is a code. If choice equal to 1, this choice has been taken from the user. Choice equal to menu. Okay, what is this menu is all about? Menu is the def, that is definition of a function. Fine. So this menu has been called from choice, और वहाँ पे 1 2 3 4 5 दिया हुआ है already. Okay, I have given few statements, few statements, few corrections, or maybe some statements which you can use. So if choice equal to 1, okay, equal to 1, what is equal to 1? If choice is 1, I'm not saying choice equal to 1, I'm not assigning 1 to choice. Okay, total 1 equal to add a comma b, क्योंकि फर्स्ट वाला जो ऑप्शन था वो एडिशन था, सो एड फंक्शन कॉल किया. बट वेर इज एड फंक्शन? हियर इट हैज बीन रिटन बाय यूजिंग डेफ. ओके, डेफ एड एक्स वाई एंड dot equal to x plus y, return dot. Fine. So here dot 1 equal to add a comma b, print dot 1. Elif choice equal to b, s1 equal to subtract a comma b, print s1. Elif choice equal to 3, print print what is this, division or multiplication? Yeah, so the multiplication would be printed. Just a minute. So m1 would be printed, then choice equal to 4. Okay, it would be division, so d1 would be printed. If choice equal to 5, okay, break. Now this break statement is new to you. Break means I was executing something, my choices are done, I want to close it now. That time you use break. And always keep it in mind, break is used as a part of condition in a loop. So when you are using a loop, you can see here there is a loop while true. Okay, if the condition is true, go ahead. You can give other way around, while loop and while loop equal to true. That also you can give. That is an option. Okay, but while true, then go ahead, execute this. If choice equal to 5, then break, else wrong option. अगर मैंने 5 नहीं दिया, 7 दिया, 8 दिया, 12 दिया, 15 दिया, okay, it would give me wrong option. Fine. Now where are these functions? This add, this sub, this mul, where are they? They are here. Definition has been given. Def add. It was a comma b. I change it to x comma y. That's a good practice. Okay. Now here actual calculation, actual computation. So tot equal to x plus y, return tot. Where is it going to return? This tot would be returning in here with tot 1. Okay, this return s would be returning with s1. Okay, this mul, that is m, multiplication functions m, would be returning with m1, and that would be printed. Fine. So here computations would be done here in the under def, and then return d. I suppose it must be easy for you and understandable. Now where are the values? Have I taken a and b? If I don't take a and b, it would give me an error. A and b have not been defined. Okay, so a equal to int of input of enter a, b equal to int of input of enter b. Fine. This way it would work, and then it will get executed. So do you want to have a look at the program from the beginning? We gave here def menu for printing, choice for inputting the choice, return for choice is returned. This is for definition of a function. Okay, and we will be returning the total. Fine. And maybe subtraction, maybe multiplication, maybe division, etc. Those would be the computations, and when we would come towards the end, we would take the values of a and b, and then we would write down if choice equal to 1, tot 1 equal to add a comma b, print tot 1. If choice equal to 2, elif. Why elif? Why not if? Because either this would be executed, or this would be executed, or this would be executed, or this would be executed. If you want if under if, then all of them would be executed. It is not the condition. I want to execute either if 1, then add, if 2, then subtract. That's why it is either or. That's why elif has been given. Okay, and finally there is else. Fine. I suppose it was easy for you and you must have understood. Now I'll try to execute. Okay, it's executing. It is asking me for the value 4 and 5. Initially it is asking for all the operations one value. 4 and 5 I entered. So वो multiplication होने दो, वो division होने दो, values 4 and 5 ही रहेंगे. Because I gave them like that. You can see them here. See, I gave them at the beginning, and then I wrote my loop and then the conditions inside it. Okay, so yeah. Now it is asking me what do you want to go for? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll say 3. Multiplication. Okay. What did it do? What did it do? 4 into 5 as 20. Later I would go for option 4. It divided. 4 divided 5. I want to come out 5. Exit. You can see here it has been it has come out, it has exited. I'll show you just a minute. Can you see? So it has been executed. In this manner, we understood how to write down the main menu program, and this main menu program plays a very important role in the programmer's life, because whenever he wants to call many more functions, not necessarily you are going to write down only one function always. This is modular programming. What do you mean by modular programming? It allows you to create many more modules. Fine. So there are many functions called, and we try to execute them. I hope it was useful for you. You must have understood it, and please get back to me if you have any doubt. Thank you.